Good morning, class. In today's assignment, we'll be learning how to do a Prezi infograph. So first starting off, I know this is simple, but logging into Prezi and making sure that we have everything for Prezi that you need. Over here, when you log in, you'll be able to choose the different ones you can have. I just went with the Prezi regular, not the classic, just to make sure that I had the infograph that I want. You can hit design here, and you can hit here with the click of the plus sign, and you can actually create your own. There's a lot of different ones you can use for this, and please feel free to use any ones that you want to be able to show the information that I will be asking for the project. So just wanted to make sure that I showed you a example and making sure that y'all can use this example. Please do not use my 3 examples that I have used. Please use your own. So biggest thing with this is just making sure and information that we're using the Prezi infograph for that. So in this infograph, the biggest thing that we have is going to be, I want to see 3 different examples for the Prezi and for the infograph. In these 3 examples, I want them to be one from 1789 to 1889, the second one from 1890 to 1963, and another one's 1964 to present. So in this Prezi, I would like you to have your title and also your class number and name. And then also in here, you're going to be seeing that I'm allowing you to choose 3 different ones, and there's 4 questions for each. The first question is, when did this president become president? When were they alive? What was their job before they were president? And what was their greatest accomplishment as a president, or what are they known for? After you made the infograph, we will also ask you to summarize what you've learned about each president. So go down to the example. So the 3 I've picked is John Adams, Theodore Roosevelt, and George H.W. Bush. So with that, the first question I want you to answer is, when did they become president? So for John Adams, you can see that he was president from 1797 to 1801. For him again, when were they alive? October 30th, 1735 to July 4th, 1826. Next is going to be, what was their job before president? So John Adams was a former vice president to the United States and a lawyer. He was also the first United States minister to the UK. Also with that, the last question would be, what was their greatest accomplishment as a president, or what are they most known for? So John Adams actually brought a peaceful end to Scotch War. So with this, you're just going to answer each of these questions for all 3 of them, and you can put them right in this box. So to edit one of these boxes, you can actually just click on the box. If you need to import a box, you can always hit this right here to add a box. You have your title, your caption, text, subtitles, title. You can use any of these to make sure that you're filling those in, and you can just type into the box. So after that, you're actually going to pop down here to the summary. So with the summary, you're actually just going to write the 3 different things that you learned about these presidents. Please don't use what you used above. I want to make sure that you're really diving deep into this information of these 3 presidents and making sure you're explaining different things that you've seen. This can be actually 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs. It all depends on what you want for that. I'm not going to put a word count on this. Just please explain different things that you learned from them so I can understand what you understood from that. So thank you so much for watching this, and I hope that this will help out a lot. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I'll be here to help in any way I can. So thank you so much for everything, and good luck, and waiting to see your infographs.